Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are a lot of exciting things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. Researchers in California are pushing the limits of speed and volumetric imaging with a new microscope that offers a more comprehensive real-time view of cell dynamics than has ever been possible. Building on existing multifocus microscopy, a team at the University of California, Santa Cruz has developed a high-speed 3D imaging microscope that can capture in great detail the inner workings of an entire small organism all at once and in real time. Called the M25, the new microscope features a 25-camera array and diffractive optics, a combination the team says is more efficient than conventional bulky prism-based components. The system involves multifocused blazed gratings that split incoming light, which allows each camera to capture the same image simultaneously, but focused at different depths, ultimately creating a complete 3D snapshot of real-time biological dynamics. The team says the new microscope is well suited for examining organisms like C. elegans worms, commonly used in studies of cell development and neuroscience, without disrupting their natural behaviors. And its compatibility with both fluorescence and label-free modalities makes it ideal for imaging sensitive biological systems. A new automated inspection system is poised to keep food products, and ultimately the people who consume them, safer. Designed by a team at South Korea-based Elroy Labs, a developer of AI-driven hyperspectral imaging, or HSI, solutions for industrial applications, the new system detects foreign objects in food products using AI deep learning hyperspectral imaging software and hyperspectral imaging cameras. Conventional approaches for this kind of inspection include human inspectors and RGB cameras, but this has been very prone to error. As HSI cameras analyze a material's chemical composition based on its unique reflectance spectrum rather than visual appearance, Elroy Labs' inspection system can identify foreign materials that are very difficult to detect by the human eye or even by standard RGB cameras. The new system involves Specim FX10 and FX17 HSI cameras with Elroy Labs' spectral AI software, which in contaminated food complaints. ONDEX Automation, a factory automation systems integrator based in Chicago, has acquired New Jersey-based machine vision and automation systems integrator Vision and Control Systems. This is ONDEX Automation's fourth acquisition since 2024. Founded in 2011, Vision and Control Systems has developed applications in quality inspection, part assembly, measurement of part tolerances, robot guidance, 3D inspection, line scan imaging, deep learning algorithms, barcode reading, high-speed image acquisition, and SWIR imaging. That's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit vision-systems.com for the most up-to-date, interesting, and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.